start, Myra?
So you girls have been invited to the parachute event which is happening today. जबकि आज बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है दिल्ली में एंड किसी तरह से मैं घर से ऑफिस तक तो आ गई हूँ. आप लोग देखो यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है, जैसे तैसे बहुत कीचड़ भी हो रहा है एंड बहुत मुश्किल से अपना ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह करके वहाँ से मैं ऑफिस आ गई हूँ. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग होंगे रेडी, विल शूट सम कंटेंट एंड आई विल टेक यू गाइज थ्रू दिस ब्लॉग टू द इवेंट and show you what is happening. So yeah, I hope you love the vlog and stay with me for the entire vlog where I am going to announce a giveaway at the end of the vlog. So as you can see, this is what I'm currently wearing. अभी पजामा और टी-शर्ट में ही मैं आ गई हूँ and these are like two options of my outfit to wear for the parachute event. Parachute है तो it's like उनका brand color blue है, so I want to wear something blue and yeah, I have white pants with it. बहुत बारिश हो रही है, पता नहीं इसको मैं कैसे टिकाऊंगी till the end of the event. I'm gonna do a poll on my Instagram to see which outfit you guys will pick for me and then I will wear that outfit and go to the event. So let's go do that. Okay, I posted a story on Instagram asking to vote from these two options कि कौन सा वाला पहनना चाहिए इस event के लिए. So let's see what you guys select and then I'll take a call on outfit. But let's get ready. Let's do the makeup. Okay, so मुझे एक reel भी बनाना था Get Ready With Me का but क्योंकि बारिश में भीग के मेरे बाल, we set it up yesterday only but इनके ख़राब थोड़े से हालत हो गई. सो आई हैव आस्क्ड प्रिया टू डू माई हेयर फर्स्ट ताकि वो वीडियो में अच्छा दिखे. सो हम लोग पहले हेयर कर रहे हैं मेकअप करने से पहले. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट. थोड़े थोड़े हैं बट बारिश हो गई थी सुबह. आई वाज गेटिंग मायरा टू गो टू द स्कूल तो छाता ना थोड़ा इधर उधर हिल गया एंड मैं थोड़ी सी गीली हो गई थी, इस वजह से मेरे बाल ख़राब हो गए. सो लेट्स गेट डन विद द हेयर फर्स्ट. And you guys did, so let's get started. Okay, I'm doing my makeup quickly for the reel. यहीं खड़े होके and it is so difficult to not sit and do my makeup. But
जल्दी से बोलना.
stop talking. I'm standing here and doing my makeup for the reel. But क्या करें, यही है. I have to take a transition इसलिए यहीं पे खड़े होके मुझे makeup करना पड़ा. It is so difficult to do your makeup like this. शांति से नहीं करो, फटफट करो. I'm also late, so quickly wrap this up. क्या अब जैसे है फटाफट करना पड़ रहा है. And for the gloss I'll be using the Laneige Glaze Grace lip. Okay, I'm getting late, but I still wanted to show you what's in my bag before I leave. So I'm carrying this pouch inside my bag which does have all my toiletries, a pee safe, my medicine box, a tissue paper and my Mac Studio Fix, my house keys and hand cream and obviously like I said pee safe. And then I also have here my charging wire and my two wallets. This holds my cash and card in here and this holds my all the coins. So this is what I'll be carrying and साथ में I'll try to fit my phones, this thing which can go in my car for me to shoot there and also my camera which I'm shooting from. So ये मेरे equipment which I'm gonna take. Now let's quickly go because I'm super late. Event तो का time तो शायद शुरू हो गया होगा. I'll need 30 to 40 minutes to even reach there. So quickly let's go and finish इनका एक shot और लेना है मुझको. I'm just waiting my face, this thing to get a little settled. And let's go quickly. All ready and set and अचानक मुझे याद आया कि मैंने nails तो लगाई नहीं. अब मुझे nail glue करना पड़ेगा before I leave. So quickly करते हैं and last shot लेते हैं और फिर चलते हैं. अभी जब मैं आ रही थी तब बारिश हो रही थी. अब thankfully बारिश नहीं हो रही है तो जा रहे हैं और मैंने ये ओढ़ लिया है खुद के लिए because it's Delhi, not safe that much. Okay, हाथ में बहुत सारा सामान है and and I'm trying to. Let's go to the event now.
So I request you what?
Okay, after spinning the wheel, I got this as a gift, and I got something like a hair tip. And it's a fun event. Okay, then I'm gonna
If you are there,
and this looks like like filmy moment that's happening. I'm gonna show you guys. Like, यहाँ पे कुछ तो हो रहा है. Received this bag from the parachute event. Let's go to the house and open this and see what's inside. So the event was quite nice and now I'm on my way back home. मेरे को जैसे कि मैंने बताया parachute का एक बड़ा सा bag मिला है. So I'll go back home and I'll show you guys what I have received. And I'll share with you guys. And at the end of this video, there will be a giveaway. So stay tuned. And event काफ़ी मज़ेदार था. चीका में था, दिल्ली में. And it was quite fun. काफ़ी एक्टिविटीज़ थे वहाँ पे. मैंने एक हेयर ब्रश बनाया है, DIY किया है. मैंने एक पता नहीं वो there was a spin the wheel contest, तो उसमें I won like a hair clip like a bow. And yeah, it was like a fun event. मैंने अपना मुंह भी जला लिया है वहाँ पे. एक बहुत ही पता नहीं क्या था, उसको मैंने खाया and मेरा अंदर से it was so hot that my mouth is completely gone. पूरा जल चुका है अंदर से, ऐसा फील हो रहा है मुझे. So I'm quickly gonna go back home. Didn't had anything much. मैं निकली थी शूट वूट करके around like 1:30 and now it is 3:46 that I'm now coming back home. So I'll go back home, I'll eat something, then I will share what I have received. So yeah, stay tuned. So I'm really hungry. Let's go home, eat something. Let's see घर पे क्या बनाया है. Really hungry. Hi, do you like my eyeshadow, Myra?
Yes.
Do you want to get it done?
Yes.
But babies don't do makeup.
I want to do it.
You want to do it?
Yes.
Okay, doing my lunch while she is at me. And Saurav is helping me get some relief from my shoulder pain and back pain.
Dona.
16 हो गया. 15 से 16 मिनट हो गए मम्मा को ये करते हुए. आपको चाहिए अब? अच्छा दे दो, देखें क्या करते हैं. Okay. Up? Now what? Now what? You just want to hold it? Hold the massager. Huh? Put it on your chin. Why are you putting it on your chin? अच्छी लगता है. Okay, I am very tired. But yeah, doing my lunch, finishing it up, and then let's open the parachute protein shampoo का डब्बा. So I am back in my office and अब करने जा रहे हैं हम parachute से क्या मिला है उसका unboxing. It's a huge package that I've received and कुछ और extra सामान भी मिला है. Like I showed you during the event कि थोड़ा बहुत सामान भी मिला था वहाँ से, तो पहले वो खोलते हैं. Okay. So the first thing that I have got is this bow. ये इसमें attach होके आया था, अब तो एक खुलखुला गया है. So this is the bow that I got from Parachute. I won there ऐसे कुछ. हाँ, so I have won this from that for spin the wheel वाला उस वहाँ से I got this. And then मैंने DIY किया था ये hair brush. So I got that too from the event. Looks quite nice, right? काफी अच्छा beachy सा vibe है. But इसका glue भी दिख रहा है साथ में. I don't know how. मतलब ठीक है. I mean, that's something. I made it. Now the main thing is this box from Parachute. So let's open it and see what's inside the Parachute box. that is how it is looking. You know, after going all of this events and stuff and receiving so many PRs, मैं पहले करती थी बहुत ज़्यादा giveaways, अब नहीं करती हूँ. But from now I'm gonna do more giveaways for you guys because I think, you know, you guys deserve giveaways more on my vlog because it's not only my vlog, it's all of your vlog, you know, all of your channel for you guys to watch me and appreciate. Then only I can go further and make more videos like this. So appreciation giveaway is what I'm gonna do today. So keep on watching till the end of this video, like I'm saying the entire time. तो ये है पैराशूट एडवांस. हम खोलते हैं. वो क्या निकला इसके अंदर से. Oh, there are so many things inside. So first thing is this pamphlet where it is saying that heat pollution से styling and stress से हमारे hair का protein खराब हो जाता है. So that's why we created a new Parachute Advanced Protein Shampoo, thoughtfully created with nature-powered variants for your hair needs. So in this box, I have here the Parachute Advanced Protein Shampoo. I'm excited to use this. And then I have the Protein Conditioner from Parachute. Okay, and then I have a very cutesy hairbrush, very nice. I can like carry this around in my handbag. And then I have a hair towel, nice, and a claw clip. So this is what I have received from Parachute. Thank you team for giving this. So these are all the products that I've received from Parachute. Thank you team for giving this. And now it's time for the giveaway. So one lucky winner will win the giveaway, and there are a lot of products in here, and this is the giveaway box. So there are products from Sebamed, from Lineage, from Etude, from The Ordinary, and lots more. So yeah. So the rules of this giveaway is very simple. You have to subscribe to my channel, you have to like this video and put a comment below as if which one is your favorite moment from this vlog. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram where I am going to announce the winner. So do not forget to follow me there. In a week when there will be the next video, before that I will announce the winner there on my Instagram. So yeah, keep checking, and I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, it is very important for you to follow the steps to win the giveaway. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video and the vlog. I hope you love it. I'll see you from my next video. Till then, bye.